ADA-TA, baby. We are now down, as of 3 days ago, 76% since all-time high. You know, ADA haters gonna hate, ADA players gonna buy. The question is, what should you do? We're gonna look at the charts today and see what is going to happen here in the next little bit. That is more than likely gonna happen, but I'm gonna give you a cheat code right here for all the trolls in chat. I'm gonna save you some time. There are three options for the Cardano price right now. It could go up, it could go sideways, or it could go down. The question is, which is gonna happen? Let's go ahead and dive right on into it. All right, so as I said, Cardano is down 76%, and yet people seem to still be buying Cardano. According to a report earlier this week, Cardano Whales scoop up 200 million ADA despite the price uncertainty. It talks about right here, Cardano price continues to decline. The large wallet addresses are scooping up and increasing their ADA holdings. According to Sentiment, revealed the large wallet addresses had accumulated nearly 200 million ADA tokens over the last 2 weeks. That's kind of funny because if you're looking at the chart, the last 2 weeks have been nothing but down. That's the 3 daily chart. But if I go to the daily chart and I go the last 14 days, that's going to put us right about what there. We have been nothing but down. But do the whales know something that we don't know? Let's take a deeper dive into the technicals and see, is Cardano actually ready for a rally? If we go out to the 3 daily chart, we're gonna see that actually we've been forming a falling wedge or a descending wedge, depending on what you wanna call it, by looking at these marks right here. Ever since, what is this date right here? About the 25th of April of, not 2022, 2021. The peak right here, the resistance lines come ever since our all-time high, and we've been forming in this channel, but if you're looking at the same chart I'm looking at, which of course you are, we are sitting right now at a key level of support with potentially a lot of reason to believe that we might be able to rally. Not only because this is a support level, but if we pull up our RSI, we actually have bullish divergence. Now, it's not crazy, but let's just analyze this real quick. Look at these RSI levels and tell me what you see. The RSI is technically, while it looks kind of sideways, is going up, but in that same time frame, the price is going down. This is bullish divergence for Cardano. We did have it play out back here, so it's not like this is the first time it's happened. In case you're wondering what I'm talking about, same time frame right here back in December, we had some bullish divergence play out despite the fact that the price went down. You know, play out right here, boom. And we had a short little rally, but then of course we topped out right there around $1.20, $1.21, came back down. But could this be the time that we actually have breakthrough on Cardano's chart? Something we do want to keep our eye on, and that is the Bitcoin price, because the two are very much related. Let me take my RSI down. There's a projection we talked about this morning on Coffee and Crypto that Bitcoin might potentially make it all the way down to 32,000. What is that? Well, if you get rid of this yellow line, because that was a different point, if I'm looking at this little trading channel right here and I measure the width of the channel by going from the top to the bottom and projecting this out, that is where I get my projection of about roughly 32,000. Now, why is this important for Cardano? Because as of late, Cardano and Bitcoin have been moving pretty similarly. There's some differences in the charts. There are definitely some times where Cardano has taken a bigger lead, but then there's other times it falls to Bitcoin. So the question is, when I'm looking at my Bitcoin chart, if we come down to 32, like some people might suspect, what is the dip on that? That would look like a drop of about another 15%. Now, I do believe that there's some case that Cardano could outpace Bitcoin. If I go over here to my Cardano over Bitcoin chart, I'm going to see that actually right now we're also in a falling wedge in Cardano over Bitcoin. Only in this one, we have a chance for the upside and the downside. We got to wait how that plays out. But for the sake of this argument, let's pretend that Cardano will just match Bitcoin bit for bit and go down 15%. Where can we potentially see a Cardano bottom? If I pull up my percentage, we break the wrong direction on this falling wedge. We come down to roughly about 63 cents. 63 cents is the level that we're potentially looking at to say, hey, if we cannot hold this support, if we don't see a rally come, we could come down to 63. But one way or the other, we are going to have a rally. Cardano is not done. People are still buying it. Charles is doing the best he can to continue to rally the ADA gang because the best years and the best days are ahead of us. But tell me what you think down in the comments. Also, I would love to know, is there any other project you would love for some quick TA on that I can do for you guys in the next couple of weeks? With that being said, though, that's all I got. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Look at this guy.
He watched the entire video.
What a cool guy.
I think the next thing that he wants to do is hit the like button and then probably even subscribe to the channel.
And perhaps even comment down below what he thought.
That would be pretty cool.
Wow, what a cool guy.